Don't forget, if you like art and you want to show it, pick up a Halloween drawing sticker. These are only going to be around till October 31st, 2022. And then after that, I'm going to take them away forever. So pick one up before then. I put these on water bottles. I put these on, on my laptop. I put them all over the place. But definitely pick one up if you like showing your spirit. Anyways, let's get back.
Hey, how's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw two owls, okay? They're going to be kind of like, like in love. It's gonna be cute, okay? So, let's get started. We're going to do this step by step, 100% for beginners, so let's get going, okay? I'm going to go over here and I'm going to curve over here for the top of one of the beaks. Down over here. And then we're going to go over here and pull down over here on this side. Circle over here. Dot right here. Dot right here. Gonna go over here on this side. Alright, we got so we got the zigzag. We're gonna go over here for kind of like, it looks like the feathers kind of form an ear. Line across over here, and over here they form like another ear. Gonna start drawing the side of the body over here on this side. Start drawing the body as well on this side. Gonna draw a straight line across for the feet. Down over here, up. Down over here, up. We're gonna have a split right between the 2 feet right there. Like he's perching. He's perched. Line, 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 line for them sticking down there. Line over here. Line over here on this side. We're gonna go for the next owl, right? We got that one owl right there. Draw the underside of the body, and then we're gonna do the other owl over here on this side. Same thing, zigzag on the side of the cheek. Gonna pull up over here, up there, down. Okay, we got that ear. Line across, out over here. Zigzag on this side. Zigzag going down here, this side of the body. Gonna go over here and find this side. It's kind of curving in. So same thing. Zigzagging down. Line across, down, down, curve up. Same thing. We're splitting it up into 2 feet right there. And then we're gonna take those feet and put lines on those. Oh, whoops. I'm drawing the branch that they're both perched on. Line over here. Line over here. Line over here. So we got that branch they're perched on. So now we're gonna go over here into the other face. So you can draw the same expression, or you could draw like a different one. So we can draw a circle right here for one eye. Gonna draw a line across, downward here for the beak. Curve line over here. Okay. What you could do is you could draw line across the eye, maybe a dot right there. to give it like a different expression, so they're not just complete copies of each other. Because if they are complete copies, it's going to be kind of like, you know, like you don't really want that. You want one to kind of change up the look. I think that would be a lot better, in my opinion, but you can make that decision, that call. You can even throw a little expression here, maybe like a little brow on that side, and then curve here. Maybe it's going, what? But it's very easy to change expression on these guys. Now I'm going to go over here and draw a circle for the actual, you know, I'm going to draw a circle here pretty much. So for the moon, if you can't draw the whole circle in one shot, just do it in pieces like that. See, I'm doing it in piece. One. I'm going to go over here. I'm going to go over here. I'm going to go over here. Like so. So you get the moon in the back, which kind of looks like a potato right now, but so be it. Maybe draw a bat, or maybe it could be another owl right there. Line over there. Line over there. I don't think owls are creepy. They're really cute. I know they're like, you know, they're vicious, right? They can be vicious, right? Because they have the talons and stuff. I don't know if they're vicious to humans, though. I think they're only vicious to, like, mice, right? And stuff like that. But let's go over here to the branch and throw a little bit of thin lines right here. Those thin lines are going to... line over here. And then yeah, just kind of give it some texture, right? That they're standing on that branch. But that's pretty much it. If you want to add clouds as well, you can add clouds maybe over here somewhere, right? And they're usually just kind of wobbly shapes for the most part. Maybe over here, like going off a page. It's always good to add more detail than less as far as like items go. Usually, especially if we're dealing with simple drawings like this. But I want to thank you very much. You're awesome, and happy Halloween, and hopefully you're having a great time, okay? Don't forget, pick up a sticker. Absolutely pick up a free ebook. Basically, Halloween drawing templates. Literally Halloween drawing templates. Basically, it used to be a product. Now it's totally free. And what it is basically, it's like a how-to, you know, like a template of them. There's 100 of them. Literally 100 in a PDF, and you can they're ready to print as well. So go take a look at that. I'm gonna put that in the description. So go the very first link, completely free. Okay, it's my gift to you. Thank you so much. I will see you in the next video, and I'll talk to you very soon.